First, I'm going to use the Biore Witch Hazel to clear up my skin. I'm going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH32 All Over Eyelid Brush. I'm going to be using the Morphe Fall Into Frost palette, and taking this tan brown shade right here and applying it all over to my crease on both eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking this darker shade and applying it from the outer corner of my eye where it's heavily packed to the inner eye, so it looks like that nice gradient effect. To bring out my eyes a little more, I'm going to be taking this dark red and packing it over the layer that we already did. As you can see here, I'm really packing that red into the corner of my eye so I can have a gradient effect. Next, I'm going to be taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30 Super Blender Brush. This thing is the shit, let me tell you. It blends, honey. Yes! Look at that difference, girl. Next, I'll be taking the same brush that I used before, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH32. I'm going to be taking this really pretty sparkly pink and putting that shit all up in my crease because, you know, you gotta have that dazzle. Yes, girl. Now, look at this beautiful purple I'm about to use. What I'm going to do with that is I'm going to pack it all up in the outer corner of my eye, like we did with that red earlier. Now I'm going to make that gradient effect to a whole nother level. This is going to be, yes. Now I'm gonna be honest, every time I use Morphe, this shit happens. Look what happens. For some reason, it like falls off my eyes underneath, like on my cheekbone thing area, and it just is awful. Just wait until later, because, no. Luckily I have wipes, and do not put your eyeshadow on after you put on your foundation. Rule of thumb. here I am, back again with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30, blending that crap because this shit is the bomb. Yes, I know. You're cute. I'm not going to repeat it for a third time, but here is the all-over lid eyeshadow brush by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to be taking this purple color. Yeah, I like purple. And I'm going to be taking it from the outer corner of my eye on my actual lid, going inward. So it makes that gradient effect, like we talked about. Get your face out of the camera. No. Here is the JH42 Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm going to be taking this really pretty light cream color, and I'm going to be placing it in the corner of my eyes so I can finish off that gradient effect. So I'm going to be taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush, and I'm going to be taking this super white color, and I'm going to place it right under my brows. The reason I'm doing this is so when I put on foundation, it kind of has like a highlight already underneath it. I don't know why I do this, I do. And here are my beautiful eyeballs. Oh, look at what I did. Remember what I told you earlier? Stupid freaking Morphe ruins my face. That's why I don't put foundation on before I do my eyes. Lesson learned. Here is the Man Eater eyeliner by Tarte. I'm going to put that on my top lining lashes and underneath so I can get that bad bitch look, if you know what I'm saying. For some fucking reason, I can't find the part where I put on my foundation, but I use the Bye Bye Pores correcting cream underneath, and I use the Your Skin But Better CC cream, both by It Cosmetics, and I am medium in both. Wow, I'm finally finished with eyeliner, so I'm going to take the Buxom mascara, and I'm going to make those lashes look like they're popping. I don't have any fake lashes right now, but put those shit on if you got them, because lashes and eyebrows are the biggest things. Even if you don't have a full face on, those things. Now that I'm 100 fucking years old, it's time to move on. The Urban Decay Naked Skin Shape Shifter palette. I'm going to take the darkest shade in contour. I like to think that I know how to contour, but anybody who knows how to do makeup is probably going to be watching this and cringing really hard because I probably don't know what I'm doing. But it's fine. Gotta get that undercarriage, if you know what I'm saying. Make sure I don't have that double chin for the day. Boom, look at that. Nice blend down on the neck. Beautiful. Work it. Time for my favorite part, highlighting. I went easy on the highlighter so I don't scare anybody. But the goal is to look like a goddess, because if you act like a goddess, look like a goddess, and think like a goddess, you're going to be treated like a goddess. Don't quote me on that. Actually do. I copyright that. It didn't show either, but I used the Kylie Jenner lip gloss Poppin'. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Have a great day, goddess.